Yeah, you took my heart and then you asked me how I'm feeling. Hlanyanga went don't be finished. Like ups and downs, yeah, you've been standing on business 10 toes to Kutando and you gave that thing a meaning. Like that's how I'm feeling, got no doubt that's how you feel it. I can dive in all your hugs and your kisses and I don't feel the distance. Guys ain't lose their interest. Like Kemachi Deni Masing Flex, are you the biggest? Tanda win, tanda min, Gigi Seka, Bachavule, Bonko Ndabezit. Yabona min, tanda blind, Akzoni Ndabezinch. You my dog, you my stank, shorty wedding ring, I swear. Yeah, where are all the girlies who would hate? Like, we're still out here, people say straight. Like, before the fake, better but you stay. Like, loyal to the boy and that I appreciate. Baby, shega behluleka ukunderstand. Ukushiya wena sanda sami mina never. Mina usayi treasure, mbona wena wedwa. Akaze kushintshe lutho namanje ngisayifela.
I pray for this. L-O-V-E, now we're here. Ngithanda njengemali, ngithanda idayibad. L-O-V-E, Cecilia.
How do you want me to show up for you? Like, I really just want you to open up to me, babe. Just be vulnerable with me. You really just be all nonchalant, like you don't feel nothing. I'm terrified. Now I feel like a fool, cause like why am I even crying? You don't feel nothing. Like you don't see me, bruv. You don't see me. It's like there's this hollow space inside you. And I guess maybe I overlooked some things. I just wanted to experience something new, I guess. And it just had to be me. But it's me. It's me now, Amuhle. Like, how do you want me to show up for you? You be acting all nonchalant, like you don't care, dog. You don't see me. It's like this hollow space inside you, and I don't know. Maybe I overlooked some things. Maybe you just wanted to experience something new, and I guess it had to be me.
They say they don't love me like I do, they don't love me like I do. It's actually said, don't even understand my feelings for you, but I know go to actually lay. I wanna give my all body gasaba, or maybe I am not ready. I've been in the street for a long time, and I don't wanna love her, you know why. Say I don't wanna love her, you know why. Shower uvalo, uvalo, uvalo. Shower uvalo, shower uvalo. Follow, 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 follow.
Waninithi ngishisa uthando the next ngiyagodola nginembuza ngazi noma impendulo ngizothola sengikhathele uthando lwami ngilinika amaqola bangakunika uthando lwami will it multiply noma lingafana nembali enganiselwa yendala inhliziyo yami yona ongayivikelana can I trust in you I'm losing hope bizithemba lami ngicela ungixolele ngale mbuzo engiyibuzayo aphe ngisuka khona imvula zinginethile dala ngishaywa ngevalo
shawa uvalo
ngishonele endleleni ngihamba ngithi ngiyozamisa ingwangqosha indlala ekhaya impilo yangisakaza ngenqindi nempama ngibe sengiphaphama esibhedlela sezinhlanya bathi ngizolashwa bayabona kade ngizama hlanganisa kodwa izinto ziyapambana bantu bayiyaphunela kuwe ngathi rama bagcobe sabisinkwa wena bakushiyane atsha bathi ngizolashwa bayabona kade ngizama hlanganisa kodwa izinto ziyapambana bantu bayiyaphunela kuwe ngathi rama bagcobe sabisinkwa wena bakushiyane atsha
mina mdala ngisasa ngona kuphi ngimele ngikwenze manje ngona kuphi kanti wayezama izinto zingahlangana why kumele ngisafare kanje kodwa nginetalent njalo ngiyathandaza but still isimo asikho grand nalokho sibaweza ingane ishoti nangokudle crash nanokucima ibani kube mnyama nginalo nekhandlela umakhelwane bakhathele mina njalo ngihlala ngicela sengiyasifihla noma ngihambe estradini ngoba ngiyahleka ngithe loye lamasabathana ungiletheleni na kulomhlaba wendlala nukho-ushintsho njalo siphodla indlala bazokunika ushintsho even though
likhalo ngishonele endleleni ngihamba ngithi ngiyozamisa ingwangqosha indlala ekhaya impilo yangisakaza ngenqindi nempama ngibe sengiphaphama esibhedlela sezinhlanya bathi ngizolashwa bayabona kade ngizama hlanganisa kodwa izinto ziyapambana bantu bayiyaphunela kuwe ngathi rama bagcobe sabisinkwa wena bakushiyane atsha bathi ngizolashwa bayabona kade ngizama hlanganisa kodwa izinto ziyapambana bantu bayiyaphunela kuwe ngathi rama bagcobe sabisinkwa wena bakushiyane atsha
baba ngibeka idolo phansi futhi ngiyasithoba ngikhuleka izolo futhi silale singenakudla besidla umkhuleko if ungipanishela izenzo zami ngicela into ethelelo sekwanele ingane zami azideserve lenhlupheko sathana izolo ungivakashele wathi uLucifer unika isibhamu wathi noma uthatha iphilisi uyobhema istress esobaleka dimoni seliyangishela ngiyalibhlashela engathi lizoqomeka noma ngithola isiphana singilastile njalo sakungiphelela izolo ngiphaphama esibhedlela bathi ingqondo iyangihambela mangibabuza inkinga bathi kudala ngizama
ngishonele endleleni ngihamba ngithi ngiyozamisa ingwangqosha indlala ekhaya impilo yangisakaza ngenqindi nempama ngibe sengiphaphama esibhedlela sezinhlanya bathi ngizolashwa bayabona kade ngizama hlanganisa kodwa izinto ziyapambana bantu bayiyaphunela kuwe ngathi rama bagcobe sabisinkwa wena bakushiyane atsha bathi ngizolashwa bayabona kade ngizama hlanganisa kodwa siyapambana bantu bayityabunela kuwe ngathi rama bagcobe sabisinkwa wena bakshiyane atsha
Don't even greet him, but under Jäger. But honestly, lately I don't give a fuck. Unless you my leader, then that means I feel it. I pick up the package, I don't even count. Die for the dollar, you die for the clout. Tandung Gola, I don't need to shout. Word of my mama, she give me the parlors. I sit on the sofa, I gone on the spouse. Nothing but honesty when I'm around. They try to corner me, build me a house. Talk to my lawyer, he say I'm allowed to fuck up the game beyond reasonable doubt. Never know why they were leaving me out. Maybe the north just ain't into the south. I'm hanging more than I'm figuring it out. For them, I'm figuring that sad. I'm feeling fine as a khabuli one. I took my time and I got a design. Told her my choni, they falling in line. Yanga Yungozi, they know I'm a vibe. Just met your daughter, she calling me slime. She never decline. Saw them go more, she fucking me nice. She do it twice, she pulling my eyes. She telling me lies. I'm feeling gorgeous, money you know. It's to be my clothes, I don't gotta force. And they balando nina, they balando nina. Women and ghosts, I hop out the Porsche. Just look at my girl, she love on my toes. And they balando nina, they balando nina. Fresh out the closet, everything flawless. Look at my wallet, Christopher Wallace. The ballandonina, the ballandonina. I make it obvious, figure some more. I didn't just toss, so you wouldn't pass. And the ballandonina, the ballandonina.
They can phone me and can find me right there in the kitchen with a bone and whiskey. I cannot fall, but the same niggas tryna get to the reach. I'ma have to go hit it dash again too fast again. I'm stacking up. Swear they gotta feel like the man again. It's crazy what they back and do for a nigga like me. It's not so psycho. It's just so psycho. Superstar go through the back door hate. They can find me, I'm a needle in hate. She love the way my voice sitting on her bass. Sit up the way she gon' be sitting on her eight. They calling me a hero back home. I go to the store and go get me cake. It's just so psycho. It's just so psycho. Wake up in the morning, make 5 bags for the day gone. Been down so long, gotta get to the top and then just stay on. Gotta keep me 100, call me dance, I'm feeling
gorgeous, money you know. It's to be my clothes, I don't gotta force. And they ballandonina, they ballandonina. Women and ghosts, I hop out the Porsche. Just look at my girl, she love on my toes. And they ballandonina, they ballandonina. Fresh out the closet, everything flawless. Look at my wallet, Christopher Wallace. The ballandonina, the ballandonina. I make it obvious, figure some more. I didn't just toss, so you wouldn't pass. And the ballandonina, the ballandonina.
I kept it solid with niggas. Kept my receipt and I counted the figures. Nakwelomphela kauti ya serious kuguditso botlelo bethele go tlase. Jaga my dog one twar go feel it through pass. So bethile pal go ratela tsepila saro one tlats. Or rate dola mi tatela zak. I get my hussy in niggas. Take it even name, I give it shapes. And I'm in the trenches, I'm on my gorillas. Counted the digits, I ran out the figures. Kilo get voice of the streets. Shopping for big boots, Kamara East. Before go to your best, I like la fifth. Two guys go hesitant, malago feet. Just bottle like I'm on north. Balaga chowa get you me let's stop. Dilaga beregelan, nagberegelio, na negero wait. I put my bro on his feet, get gorilla blue, robo file chase. Banyaga selo si, sigenyaga smoke, get lamori fees.
I'm feeling gorgeous, money you know. It's to be my clothes, I don't gotta force. And they ballandonina, they ballandonina. Women and ghosts, I hop out the Porsche. Just look at my girl, she love on my toes. And they ballandonina, they ballandonina. Fresh out the closet, everything flawless. Look at my wallet, Christopher Wallace. The ballandonina, the ballandonina. I make it obvious, figure some more. I didn't just toss, so you wouldn't pass. And the ballandonina, the ballandonina.
Akekho Zulu baby, isitove swisukesi. Indian love into yamampintsha no babes. Give you my all, I wanna do that on a daily. Sithandwa senhliziyo ngiyakuthanda ke wena baby. Sengifuna sibobe ifindo kwesiko malume bezekini ngikwenzo wami ngeqiniso. Amashumi amathathu noma ingaki bengazisho sithanda ngigcwele blind umndeni ufuna isihlobo esihle. The voice, the body, baby, unefika round ass, hella thick, I'm loving all of your features. Budla into engabuzwa yakhala wonke amachita wafika wanginika lonke loluthande kade ngilidinga. Khona bangajabule ngoba sithandana obagada cause bafuna ukubhidliza lento esayakha. And bayohlale bekhuluma onondaba kodwa manje akusenandaba ngoba uyazi ukuthi ngiyakuthanda. Ukuthanda kwami angazi ngiqale ngaphi, like phela amagama nkosazana. Baby wawukhona izinto zami ingakakhanyi, abantu bengakangazi ngibonge lokho nje ntokazi. Yeah, you bring happiness to me. So tired when I wadalelwa mina. I know you goal driven and I hope that you achieve. Wonke la maphupho nathi sikhule sibe rich. Tasty expensive mina nawe siyayifanela. Not even sure ngiyakudeserva. Baby uhlale kude ngizokutshela soon as ngilenda. Lately I've been busy ngiyalekha ngisho messitexter. Khona bangajabule ngoba sithandana wobagada cause bafuna ukubhidliza lento esayakha. And bayohlale bekhuluma onondaba kodwa manje akusena ndaba ngoba uyazi ukuthi ngiyakuthanda.
Uthanda uphila ngathi my pride, but I promise you'll never leave my side. Together, baby, for life. But love me here, it don't die.
What's up, you got glow?
Yeah. Tryna get raised over here. Tryna get it raised over here. Tryna get it raised over here. I always told you niggas I'm the one that you'll never understand me. Now I'm out cheering them deeper and I'm running from my family. Yeah. Shit, we getting close and I can't feel it in my soul. Mama look at me, told me my baby boy you grown. Tears in my face, talking to mama on the phone like, can you hear me? I always told you niggas I'm the one and you'll never understand me. Now I'm out chillin' them deeper and I'm running from my family. Shit, we getting close and I can't feel it in my soul. Mama look at me, told me my baby boy you grown. Tears in my face, talking to mama on the phone like, can you hear me? It's that blood, sweat, and tears. Now I'm getting paid to appear. Can't let no negativity go through my ears. I swear, somebody tell the niggas I'm here. Shouldn't be answering my prayers. A story to tell, shine bright in my future baby years. Gotta make it out in the gutters. Get it taken, I send it to my mama. I know that I don't need no drama. Got way too many problems. I always told you niggas I'm the one and you'll never understand me. Now I'm out cheering them deeper and I'm running from my family. Shit, we getting close and I can't feel it in my soul. Mama look at me, told me my baby boy you grown. Tears in my face, talking to mama on the phone like, can you hear me? I always told you niggas I'm the one and you'll never understand me. Now I'm out chillin' them deeper and I'm running from my family. Shit, we getting close and I can't feel it in my soul. Mama look at me, told me my baby boy you grown. Tears in my face, talking to mama on the phone like, can you hear me?
I got the run on my shoulders, tryna make this run. I'm tryna jump over these hurdles, it's a marathon. I cannot stay back and do nothing, I cannot be stagnant. Ain't tryna be nothing like my haters, do this for my family. Made bad decisions, I was down deep in the valley. All I want is nothing but the best for my family. I be crossing mountains, tryna eat, fill up my belly. And I know that I've been chosen, ain't nothing can tell me. Being about the action, my shit always on the move. Tryna launch it like a rocket till I reach the moon. Yeah, the money up, yeah, the $100. Yeah, the money up, I ain't going back. Yeah. Being about the action, my shit always on the move. Tryna launch it like a rocket till I reach the moon. Yeah, the money up, yeah, the $100.
I I always told you niggas I'm the one and you'll never understand me. Now I'm out chilling in them deeper and I'm running from my family. Shit, we getting close and I can't feel it in my soul. Mama look at me, told me my baby boy you grown. Tears in my face, talking to mama on the phone like, can you hear me? I always told you niggas I'm the one and you'll never understand me. Now I'm out chillin' them deeper and I'm running from my family. Shit, we getting close and I can't feel it in my soul. Mama look at me, told me my baby boy you grown. Tears in my face, talking to mama on the phone. Can you hear me?
Yeah. I'm sorry them boys made it, then you niggas didn't. I'm sorry we in the building, then you niggas ain't. So sorry, I'm sorry we done came up. Sorry, nah, you niggas ain't real enough. Sorry you hate the lames that I came with. Sorry you hate the bras that I roll with. I'm sorry them boys made it, then you niggas didn't. I'm sorry we in the building, then you niggas ain't. Too many haters where I came from. I got too many haters claiming they my dead ones. Real snakes don't hiss no more, they speak louder. They at home getting bored and just gossip about us. I dropped my first album, niggas went out and bought it. Them other niggas they hated, I didn't share the profit. Now they dropping emails with the little details. Since I don't mess with you dudes, why would I fuck with your tunes? When I started you thought it was easy, you're wrong niggas. Blue ticks is all you get from me, I'm gone bitches. You could probably get a picture or send a little sister. This relationship is messed up like it's long distance. Keep my name out your mouth, boy, you don't listen. We let the guns go bang and the boy missing. Sipping on drink, sipping on drink. I see you at every party, I don't see you in the banks, no. I'm sorry them boys made it, then you niggas didn't. I'm sorry we in the building, then you niggas ain't. So sorry, I'm sorry we done came up. Sorry, nah, you niggas ain't real enough. Sorry you hate the lames that I came with. Sorry you hate the bras that I roll with. I'm sorry them boys made it, then you niggas didn't. I'm sorry we in the building, then you niggas ain't.
I don't wanna live a lie, I don't wanna suicide. I just wanna stay true till the day of my demise. I don't wanna live on hype, I don't wanna win this fight on my enemies. Instead I'm praying that they stay alive. Mama raised no fool, I got my intellect intact. I'm a goat and that's a fact, I'm an inferno too. We savages and outlaw, we don't play by the rules. Man, I know that we won't die poor, we pay our dues. Feel like I need vacation, man, I gon' go away. Tired of being patient, wanna sip on Bombay all day. Or maybe cocktail. If I put you under pressure, then I'm sorry. Don't give a fuck about the haters, we gon' celebrate. You cannot stop us, we got faith and every day we pray. You got a problem, then you gotta say it to my face. Man, these haters and these naysayers don't understand.
I'm sorry them boys made it, then you niggas didn't. I'm sorry we in the building, then you niggas ain't. So sorry, I'm sorry we done came up. Sorry, nah, you niggas ain't real enough. Sorry you hate the lames that I came with. Sorry you hate the bras that I roll with. I'm sorry them boys made it, then you niggas didn't. I'm sorry we in the building, then you niggas ain't. There's a war outside, no man is safe from. Cause these people do anything for that income. And I still won't pay attention to the insults. I'm so blessed and all your curses can't do nothing. Where were you when we were planning it all? They can't touch me, all they do is call lawyers to piss me off. You won a battle but you lost the war. I'm trying to find a better angle, I'm aiming at you, boy. Let's get it poppin' one-on-one, yeah, me and you. Up in the studio, A.B. performing miracles, yeah. Gossip is for the bras, you a silly dude. I stay blind to the hate like Stevie do. My mama told me be careful, my brother dancing with devils. You know I want this forever, this beat. We gonna settle, I don't know what they want from a nigga. Every day I wanna drink, give a fuck what you think, what you think. I'm sorry them boys made it, then you niggas didn't. I'm sorry we in the building, then you niggas ain't. So sorry, I'm sorry we done came up. Sorry, nah, you niggas ain't real enough. Sorry you hate the lames that I came with. Sorry you hate the bras that I roll with. I'm sorry them boys made it, then you niggas didn't. I'm sorry we in the building, then you niggas ain't.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Emina skuba ngivumewe njandini uyangenze sikhotheni sesiphushile udwa wasophumele mele sibambe iqine mfanisa yindele ndlela now yazi indlovu yangena njayami izimpela Emina skuba ngivumewe njandini uyangenze sikhotheni sesiphushile udwa wasophumele mele sibambe iqine mfanisa yindele ndlela now yazi indlovu yangena njayami izimpela njandini lento sayiphila sinaphikiswa once isabamba ipenyi nephepha inki siyawuvuzisa efani skill siyasithushisa sikuva ibhithi siyayibhubhisa siyakhulisa ngivele xikixi rhyme fast mase ngiyayidlulisa mase ngiyayicisha ngiyayihlikihla ngiyacacisa mangicikicca mangiyikhwifa ngiyayipholisha beast rising ngiriver iflow njengeriver wabhayiza uyagwiliza yasala mawuthithiza njengorem siyadeliver ezase 4360 don't act like you did know saqala sidayisa cash manje it's digital crypto ephela sithandazile njwana usiphendulile uthixo bebethi lezi zakwamashu ngeke zibe lutho esho ipaparazzi yonke indawo ifoto sambela phezulu mfana seshaya amaphiko eyethi kicking the door yabi sound njenge tiptoe simoja thini masilwa suke siacta njenge big show ngivumewe njandini uyangenze sikhotheni sesiphushile udwa wasophumele mele sibambe iqine mfanisa yindele ndlela now yazi indlovu yangena njayami izimpela Emina skuba ngivumewe njandini uyangenze sikhotheni sesiphushile udwa wasophumele mele sibambe iqine mfanisa yindele ndlela now yazi indlovu yangena njayami izimpela eseduncan imakudedela thina ngathi besiphethe imithi yo zamazama umhlaba amagama aphenduka ividiyo kalukubhala sibancane entwana ngeyikhathi zokhidiyo manje lento siphila ngayo mfana silungisa impilo iskill jo sikhule sabameja bathi simini no phela singene ngoking iball lento siphose kude njenge fishing rod eyabi phelele ekhaya mfana ibiti kude babethi greatest of all time akushiwe skin phela lento sayinyusa njengesiboshwa manje ihlala yithi show masiphume stage bayakhala abantu bathi sicela mo ngaphecasheleni namacheras ofarishimo more love ntwana lana sithola uthando ngqo sidedela amavesa yenza igebengu sibe happy lengoma inenkosi phakathi ngathi thuna lika Jesu isiphambano uChrist idlozi asana rest izinto ziyakhanya ntwana siphase sikanathi kuba ngivumewe njandini uyangenze sikhotheni sesiphushile udwa wasophumele mele sibambe iqine mfanisa yindele ndlela now yazi indlovu yangena njayami izimpela Emina skuba ngivumewe njandini uyangenze sikhotheni sesiphushile udwa wasophumele mele sibambe iqine mfanisa yindele ndlela now yazi indlovu yangena njayami izimpela
Hey, but to touch rabantwa askupungezane bathi why waswenka kangaka askupungezane hey, but to touch rabantwa askupungezane bathi why waswenka kangaka askupungezane kwatwala kangaka sebagibela amasapho wakamama asakusodlala la askupungezane yonke into seyiphakwa la sebagibela nesofa laka mama la hayi nyaka I was telling a man to relax man how been the composure young stress man hayi ball uyal trap uyal chest man ini yes man iskill uskipa ingane my letter man hey hayi sukela isolo spanky skolo push umjolo ya wasumhlola uparfum pass sawona nkosazana ikamba touch ma ungazi cela my number ngizokutext sweet sitshela namanga eish mameli number ngiphethe isikuphe senza masi hey but touch rabantwa askupungezane bathi why waswenka kangaka askupungezane hey but touch rabantwa askupungezane bathi why waswenka kangaka askupungezane kwatwala kangaka sebagibela amasapho wakamama asakusodlala la askupungezane yonke into seyiphakwa la sebagibela nesofa laka mama la hayi nyaka
Proclamation. You can tell I'm a legend. They feel on my presence, I'm motivation. And that's deep in my essence. I'm still so impressive, that's domination. Begging dwang with my sister, let's do those shabiza the combinations. Look, still communicating, advocating, yeah. I got Zobona fana like me. First class and the first flight free. Both high, got some real nice trees and both drunk from the Henny iced tea. Kamnandi, Tina Sabhasa, Skina las Hambas, Puma las Casa. What's it, man, Banabanrata? Swag check, look back, Baplasha, yeah. I am motivation, nigga. Take it all is the new vocation. When I move strong, I am innovation, nigga. A real nigga personification, beg us through scar. I'm nice to my rivals, they still my disciples. I'm king and an idol for sure. Umags wabantwana still hodging a slumber and summon, I light up the score. Yes, we do ngenzani, love you all swing gaga gaga. Yes, we do ngenzani, but umags wabantwana. Yes, we do ngenzani, love you all swing gaga gaga. Yes, we do ngenzani,
but to touch wabantwana. Askupungenzani, but you white was swing gaga gaga. Askupungenzani. But to touch wabantwana askupungenzani but you was swing galanga askupungenzani dreaming of a place where we can be together, young Todd. Somewhere in between the two very different worlds in which we live. Somewhere where time doesn't really exist. Where you can be forever mine and I can be forever yours. Yeah, forever mine, forever yours. There's no need to doubt it, girl, you can rest assured. My friends identify the things I never saw, but I chose to ignore them cause I believed you more. Well, either or, I don't know who did more for the other. I wasn't keeping score. I took time off from the studio to see you more, to see you happy. Even when things weren't moving for you, at least you had me. Bumping, I'll always have me, no less you coming at me. I had to say goodbye, I had to die in silence, can't let you see me cry. I had to do what I thought was best for you and I. Every single decision I made had you in mind, I never changed. I don't understand how you moved on in 7 days. Best way to make me understand that I was second place. Sometimes I cry when I sleep, but it's just a phase. I was gonna come for my revenge, but there's better ways of dealing with this bitter pain. You still holding on to things that I didn't say or things that I didn't do. To be there for everyone, I would have to be split in two. My career and family needed me as much as you. What you mean I gave you the bare minimum? How when you couldn't even tell me what you really want? We're a bunch of kids, we're only learning who we really are. Scarring me is not the only way for you to leave your mark on me. It should be delicate. Decided that you hate me now, how does that benefit you? But I guess that's irrelevant. Shared a lot of things with you, but I don't share those sentiments. I believe in love and all my actions are testament. Regardless what you did, you're still someone that I can't resent. Used to look at you and see class like Mercedes-Benz, but now you're just driven by your anger and it's making sense. But I don't ever wanna see you crash cause I don't love you less. Yeah, forever yours, forever mine. I was thinking of calling you, but never mind, too risky. I spend my days just wondering if you miss me. Believe it or not, I still want you, it's the new Ripley's. You wish we never met, I wish I never left. But when was I ever right? Conscious clean, I'm so at peace when I'm in bed at night. Cause I treated you like the princess that you are. Though you get freaky like you're a mistress in the car. For instance, I did not feel the distance when you far. Cause I always kept you close to my heart. And though I'm breaking inside, I gotta act unbothered and unfazed. My confidence took a knock, but I'm covered in God's grace. I feel like I'm disappearing, just a shadow of myself. Learning to still love when I'm stuck in the dark place. I'm staring at your face, I'm dreaming of a place where we could be together. I don't wanna deny the way I feel inside, girl, I want you forever. I'm staring at your face, I'm dreaming of a place where we could be together. Vuke ekuseni with a young prayer, then I'm on my way up. Not about to that pull me down, but those that hold me down make sure I stay up. He made heaven, but on day 7 he created my day once. Your girl asking me how my day was, but my days are good, girl. I don't do hard labor. I don't do 9 to 5, I don't get paid a month later. But I respect everybody that goes and gets paper. You try to ride my wave, but now you need a lifesaver. Every hood nigga's dream is to have white neighbors. We'd have nothing if we relied on what life gave us. It was a good day when God made us, says famous. Into Yasiyo is to Z on me, sleep on me. She sends you a text, but she sees me secretly. Then she sees me secretly. She needs the D&D deeply and eagerly. We repeat it weekly. I get what we want, I gotta distribute it evenly. Understand that actions are the only thing that we believe. Stripper girls are the ones we love. Money we spent at Summit is a lot when we sum it up. Chats with the old lady, Nina Myago 7, she saw it in me already. Heavy, deadly, touchline. You try to minus me and cross me, I become a plus sign. That's how I add pressure and I'm coming for what's mine. Hey, what up, clever? La Malia Count Degger. Girls in the summertime, you know, crop top sweater, Carvella, umbrella. But that's not where the shade comes from. It comes from girls that think that they much better and hate on each other. And the only other woman that they love are their mothers. Damn. And I don't know how I'm supposed to feel. Girls on Instagram are never real when they post the real. You earn a salary, baby, we understand. Why compete with a honey that gets her money from a man? No, you study and you work and you polishing the plan. But some nights you gotta dance with origin in your hand. Let your head down, kululege, je utulubege. Nenga nisifunu shege, zifuni nyugi pele. Mom closer, dad Betty, I don't have Zulu parents, but I need my coins to be bigger than Zulu earrings. Still sacrifice myself to make others happy. Jump for so many people, but no one's there to catch me. Girls change, friends change, but I'll always have me. And that's forever, I'm taught.
There's nobody left that will always have me.
Poignum na yung inglesio yami yonke. Always herself, I'm always me, we don't do role play. Call her every night to see if she's doing okay, but I gotta let her deal with everything her own way. To hear her, I gotta listen to what she won't say. Help her deal with all the problems that she won't face. Meanwhile, I've invested in cash, I'd like to take the short way. That's money out the window like I'm paying at the toll gate. Ganunyegang yusensela maputa wam. Puma game before, boni cheraki puma wam ngo 2xeni. And her phone's on silent, but her body's vibrating and I'm the one who's dialing. If I love again, it's gonna be a big moment. But first I gotta fix what's really broken. That thing that left my pillow soaking. That thing that had me lose my focus. That thing that had me feeling hopeless. I put flowers on the passenger seat. I hit the highway at maximum speed. I off-ramp, I turn left on the street. I pull up and drop a package with the letter that I wanted to read. I'm hurt, but selflessly I pray for her until she's back on her feet. In your business, funo guerra, sad tracks on repeat. Award show, you saw me grabbing a seat. I look back and we speak. 2 years later, now you matter to me. And your body is my type of texture, so I type and text ya. You so gorgeous, you would hype my ex up. If she see you, she'll be under pressure. If I see you, then I gotta sex ya. Yes, ya. But I'm still single like a new release. Currently no opportunity for unity, because pain is something that's usually delivered from you to me. What's going on is different to everything you believe, but I got zero regrets. Back to dealing with these niggas that have zero respect. Intendance and Togo Gucci, you not rid of me yet. You know I'm king, but you seem to forget.
Where I came from, angeke ungelula like sugar khona besnethwa imvula I was a nobody, but now I'm a somebody. God even let see go, but now I'm a guy. I just wanna be a star, shine bright like a diamond, sunlight. You, I just wanna be a star, shine bright like a diamond, sunlight. You, me, mama's baby boy. I'm just a ghetto boy. Came deep down from the bottom, at the top's where I belong. And I'm barely home, I was tired of living poor. It was sticks and stones on me, mama told me keep it going. Wanna be a star, we gon' make it and it's written in the stars. Know a couple people praying that I fall. They don't wanna see you black man ball. I stay right up, gotta get my cake up. Wanna put my mama on that whip up and take it. I just wanna put all of my brothers on Bootega. I don't give a fuck about no haters. See you later. I don't wanna get by. I just wanna be a star, shine bright like a diamond, sunlight. You, I just wanna be a star, shine bright like a diamond, sunlight. You, me, mama's baby boy. I'm just a ghetto boy. Came deep down from the bottom, at the top's where I belong. I was tired of living poor. It was sticks and stones on me, mama told me keep it going.
More dollar, more king, Lala King Kong, gorilla. You get it right back, show me love. Shapatinga, Jonina, my life perfect. Yeah, cause I'm working. I'm back in my Birkin. Happy, no worries, worry. Ish. What's it? What's up? London, Zanzibar, Miami, Balenciaga, PT, every summer, shy million, cause I ain't here for long. When I need a nigga, sing by but shreddy, when my love, wind your body, why showing off, why so gully? My one and only baby. I know you, baby. Can I enjoy the fruits of my labor? Reach flex, I reach flex. Salum raba, this sweet bean up, but this kiss flowing. Booga mama, a true survivor. And the man just sang pumele, Namhlanje, ang nemota, baby, that's normal. Fly to Lagos. Get jolo, tata, nina.
Namba kwaba, pumini namba, bebeti sopelela, kamise na bataga, bugis kama stolimana, beko baninga bagat, mabebus kutubano zotingu fagat, eya belu ni malangze, iloki bako klingo mekse, mtate ngwise sopola mama, ifuna nanga matola ya, eya belu ni malangze. Keep a talk, let it go, make say, Kanomra da da da, keep it katara Enduga matariana Abafuleli sanda niti basabalaba Kipi katara Enduga matariana Abafuleli sanda Stanza manema Skatza manema
Buga man A true survivor Manje sengiphumelele Manje sengiphumelele Namhlanje anginemoto Baby that's normal Fly to Lagos Get jolo Tata Nina Lo Longevity Bulldozer If you ahead of me I feel like all my enemies I'm half man, half amazing No, you ain't wishing me well. Fitting is a mistake. Team big thing and bad. Let you be thinking bad. A lot of them are coming, ain't going. No, me lang ile figi like bad. I'm on the move. Cigar, ooh, skipper, school, body, ooh, sila, shino, shija, two, sida, lala, kayo, ooh, sweeter. Now I'm changing. I'm Nemoto, baby, that's normal. Fly to Lagos, get jolo, Tata Nina.
Thixo mdali basezondazi xesha lifikile kodwa mnake ndidiniwe but ungawari khululeka Buddha manyani dala ndibaxelela kodwa ke bagcwele inkani bengakwazi ncam ngegama but asazi kuthiwa izandla ke zona ziyagezana Jehova Thixo ngumdali isiko lithi yindalo ubiko wathi zithande Jehova Thixo wami cela ukukhumbule dala ndisithoba ndiyaxoxa ngicela undisusa no I'm broken but I'm hoping you still remember me. Shoulders full of bruises, I've been carrying many things indeed. Expect to see somewhat a change in positivity. With how these people mention me, I'm drowning in this misery. But don't complain. Your people watching you, you still a beacon of hope. Trust me, they need the strongest you. The truth is never your friend. It frees you from your pretend. Repeat it until the end. But sitting kakunzima abantu bengamanqili imisebenzi bathi phelile bayazithuka bathi zizinja but I was hoping you still remember me. Many years walking my patience is off a centipede. I need to breathe, expel negativity. Every chance I speak, my spirit is depleted. Still I'm working towards a better me. So what you telling me? What you expect from me? I'm tired, give me the recipe. Give me the recipe to peace, my Lord. I'm dying, show me the people I've been speaking for. But they keeping score, and we bleeding more. More death and self-destruction never seen before. When I'm dying. But I'm wise enough to submit myself to a higher power, writing lines and words influential. What I desire is to connect with you. My flesh leads me to a vivid doom. I seek a quiet place so I can speak to you and plead with you. Lord, I'm tired and depleted. But every day I wake up and seek your face for a reason. The reason is for your kingdom, my very purpose. The purpose is to expand and affect each and every person. So I'm asking, Father, remember me. Free me from seclusion, rebuking all of these devil deeds. Community rejecting me, testing me in necessity. But Lord, give me the break to breathe. I'm sinking in this battleship, but I can handle it. Just pray that you remember me. You gave me wisdom big enough to cross the 7 seas. Tickle one,
Ice on my neck, shit, croix. I got this Genesis croix, yeah, wow, yeah, I don't know what, yeah, wow. I got this Genesis croix, yeah, wow. Ice on my neck, shit, croix. I got this Genesis croix, yeah, wow, shit, I don't know what, yeah, wow, shit, wow, croix, shit, wow,
yeah. Back in the day I was dusty. They used to treat me like rubbish. Had to take down names, weight, fame, tough than known them Mzansi. Flow too sick, disgusting. We open me ni bati. Old teachers saw me on stage and said, oh nah, my proud quasi. While on stage, shy in trail. Cooking the kitchens or kitty chef. Top chin, Johnny see short and jab. Labels they call me, I tell them for tech. Top 10, yes man. Nezindo zamgati hamba ngo shed. Monik limpatla and kitchen man and tap. If you get lambuso and cutting and pale.
I got this Genesis croix, yeah, wow. Ice on my neck, shit, croix. I got this Genesis croix, yeah, wow, yeah, I don't know what, yeah, wow. I got this Genesis croix, yeah, wow. Ice on my neck, shit, croix. I got this Genesis croix, yeah, wow, shit, I don't know what, yeah, wow, shit, wow. From my head down to the toes, ukadunga shibili. Italian open, climbing up to the top, and dili. Every time they turn on me, I ain't done a village jiggy vili. Teflon, I'm the dawn, they throw the 9, I know siggies. Ain't done, ungang suge, as I'm is pelele lazu 7. Me, I'm high as heaven, bird's eye view, 7th heaven. Ain't done, ungang suge, iskim sam ungas kie, iskim sam ungas vale, iskim sam si I got the Genesis croix, yeah, wow. Ice on my neck, shit, croix. I got this Genesis croix, yeah, wow, yeah, I don't know what, yeah, wow.
Hey, when I land, I'm coming with a super crew. Shocking the nigga like I'm Pikachu. Bang biza gom tu angu kumalo. Machi when gosu ngang tu mabo. Now got the green color Piccolo. They gave me the game and I ate it off. They gave me the bill and I paid it off. Hey, come on, I'm a king sick pad. Shine on so good to land. Oh, drop a little number on land. Unga sop the loud. Each dollar so dead the loud. You please don't touch the sound. Don't touch the sound. Yeah.
For real, you know? Sure, I'm dripped out to the very max. You know the boys in the building. I escaped poverty just from the things that I've written. I couldn't sit and cry about the life I was given. Couldn't kiss ass, I had to make sure my music was hitting. I'm not top 5, you gotta be kidding. You go on a track and talk crazy, you tired of living? When we were cooking, you would microwave your food for 60 seconds. Ironically, you ain't even been hot in a minute. Uspeg a nigga, she might ruin your life. If she earns more than you, then she's not your type. She only there when the times are good, then she's not your wife. That's why mama said you gotta pick them right. Kute my niggy, look at how litty we be. Jiggy, net worth will be sitting on 30 milli. Penny Vigi, Vene hitik la my charts is gonna yini. Bati let's figure nini. Oh, you act like you saw it coming. You see the money, just throw it on me. When it comes to the paper, I do not fold. What's origami? Bashara ngomuthi bayasibuza ukuthi asibodi ngani. Phela mina ngithakathwa inomi bani. Bad. My best songs are unreleased. My opponents are on their knees. My shoulders are suffering cause I carry it all on me. I'm talking about the rap game, the same one that's gonna spit me out once it's done with me. Yeah,
I'm the greatest I've ever seen, and I've seen a lot of greats, so I'm not being ignorant, please. If I don't say that to myself, who's gonna say it to me? Not the OGs especially, cause they still want the same girls that we want. Go to the clubs that we go to, can't ask them for help, cause we want the things that they want too. As for my success, who do I owe it to? When no one's tryna co-sign the boy unless they tryna sign the boy, so what do I do? What do I do? Am I entitled for feeling that way? Entitled for feeling like someone should be leading the way? 2 minutes, 10 seconds on the beat, that's me bleeding again. The reason for my persistence is that being successful validates my existence. I couldn't be the joke of the family WhatsApp group, the one who doesn't contribute on Christmas. I sometimes undervalue the things that God has given me. Oh, he must be sick of me. I make them rewrite verses the way I rewrite history. Why would they belittle me? Why you take me for jokes? After all that I wrote, forget pronouns, forget male or female. Boy, I identify as the GOAT. I intensified my approach. As for the throne, I keep my eye on it close. And you know it's the truth if it came from my lips. You ever thought they'd listen to a man who raps with a lisp? Shout out KO and Stogie T for taking the risk. Swung at the big PRO wherever he is. It gave me funa with slicker, what level is this? We gotta have heavenly grips, we gotta drive devilish rips. Screw what an enemy thinks, do music they can't even skip. As long as our energy's mixed, then we can do so many things. But you got ego, I got ego, so we clash. My question is, when are we getting to the cash? My question is, when are we getting to the cash? Imagine if I saw myself the way they see me. Imagine if I saw myself the way they see me. Imagine if I saw myself the way they see me. Imagine if I saw myself the way they see me. Tragic. It's not like you're gonna tell me that I'm dope. It's not like you're gonna say I'm that guy, so if I don't say that to myself, then who's gonna tell me?
Sometimes I'm in heaven with you.
Real deep moments, hearts and rules are both meant to be broken. See me go off, I'm acting out of emotions. Your last message was too spicy for me to open. Your last status was either petty or suicidal. Didn't know if you went and jumped or you pulled a rifle. Happy when you're with me, I'm worried as soon as I go. We both got flaws, why they look at us like we life goals? It all happened too quick, but I still wouldn't change it. You know loving you's a chance that I still would have taken. And you're not the final product, girl, you're a star in the making. But here I am loving you like you already made it. Minang sasing tempe ban since I've been hot. I like a girl who loves back shots, not a screenshot. I like a girl who only lets the G hit her G-spot. And that's forever, young Todd. For the public, baby, we gotta keep it private. These rounds do you good, I'm trying to keep you silent. Body too fly, can I be the pilot? I push the buttons, I'm deep inside it. Excited, you vibing. Too hot for the public, baby girl, we should keep a secret. The power lies with the one that doesn't fall the deepest. Switching to iMessage, please don't send a come over text, I drive reckless. You know I'm real, I'm not proving a thing. Not romantic, but when I love, I do it legit. I pray for you and your kid. I hope he knows his mother is a star and she's doing her thing. If I had to love her one more time, I'd do it again. I know you love sunflowers, I'll get them delivered. And if today you want roses, you can stare in the mirror. Could it get any clearer? Are you from behind? I give you hugs and kisses.
I see that booty, grab it like I missed it. And when something looks too good, it makes it hard to listen. I need someone I could put my kids in. I would fight you every day and upset you if the makeup sex with me and you wake up next to me. Please mind the headboard, that's where your legs should be. Nowhere in the picture, baby, that's where your ex should be. Head over heels, next party you throw might be a gender reveal. Next thing I buy you might be an automobile. But not even that can prove that I love you for real. If we went our separate ways, I would not complain, I did that in my desperate days. But Tabo is a star now, what can I say? That's forever, I'm told.
Stogie, T, Zakwe, Before Nelson Mandela was on money, I was for the lepers, you would swear it's origami. Wildlife lessons, every death gave me life still. Born, so me and Christ share a likeness. None like him, no Siamese. It's all timing, you can push, hope it come out loud, but this ain't the gynae. Zakwe hit me like, let's talk about the rhyming. Couldn't find a heart to tell him that's not my vibe, see. Not when the world need a Molly. And Bob's your uncle, but you worry about your country. I don't take Molly, I take Lil Roxy and my daughter out to get chiffon dresses from the shopping complex. And I'm not trying to shop a complex. I put my shit in the music so you can find strength. It's a little project I built from the onset. Ordinary people baptized, and that's a John Legend. Born in Tanzania, that seems far-fetched, but none of you know the world that's in my closet. I make lines speak to the heart of the darkness. Everything hit unless you listening with your conscience. Taking revisiting lyrics to feel the content. German precision sniffers is ill-equipped for this bomb threat. And shit can get too thick for Shawshank. Don't bank on lip if you can't swim or walk it. You got the whiskey on the armrest, puffing something stinky from the tropics, with a face like brake lights. Hey son, you can miss me with the nonsense.
About that time, I'ma get that money. I made mistakes, but I'ma make more hundreds. Cause now I found the roots of my sanity. Shades from my money tree. Hip-hop, my daily bread. All black coat, can't see nobody. If you ain't no better, ask somebody. Glory for the pain in the booth with a mule. Nothing's been the same since fame, hallelujah. All black coat, can't see nobody. If you ain't no better, ask somebody. Glory for the pain in the booth with a mule. Nothing's been the same since fame, hallelujah.
See times and people change, but numbers don't, it's real. Overdose of the skill, the weak come overdose. We made deal with a flower, gaseous ray of rose and pussy together and the tap water, the sour switch flows. I've been down for the streets and now it picks me up. Straight from the domes and now they wanna fill me up. The time is out for you niggas, if you ain't down with us, I'm moving clockwise. I'm fully scooping, I'm clockwise. They recognize I'm a pops now with a gorgeous wife. I know my son is gonna shine a better on my daughter's life. I bought cars from songs I wrote while I was walking by. Pray I never poopy, I slip it now with an open eye. This comes as me, but we gotta do better with rap. Second you, every second you take the first step. Ha, you for the Christmas niggas set on the first lap. Now I'ma run teams, my niggas fast on the last lap. I take a stand, my journalist is oblivious. It's static, man, it was fundactina, we got that syllabus. We bypass those who are biased, must release and you don't bias. Bring the pliers, negative mind is easy to minus. Division of labor must now multiply. You see they add a lot of problems and they see us. They must do the math from the previous lines. Setting goal was contagious, now I got that minus touch, that's right. We survived when they told us we never winning in this. Patience on my time frame till I can picture this. I still drink ciders in PM like evenings. With that much flow, I could beat the odds when I even things. And be the voice of the illest shit, I can floss in the industry. Pour my thoughts on the G, keep it either or. I'm a lyricist, I'm a boss, I'm a genius. I was born with this eagerness, get applause in the millions. till I'm
About
bored of
that
feeling
time,
this.
I'ma get that money. Made mistakes, but I'ma make more hundreds. Cause now I found the roots of my sanity. Shades from my money tree. Hip hop, my daily bread. All black coat, can't see nobody. If you ain't no better, ask somebody. Glory for the pain in the booth with a mule. Nothing's been the same since flame, hallelujah. All black coat, can't see nobody. If you ain't no better, ask somebody. Glory for the